Good morning, this is Andrew from Abraham Trading Consultants and Trend Following Mentor. In this short video, today is February 14th, 2014. We're going to talk about gold and as well as the junior miners. But before we start, always, this is for educational only. It's not made for any recommendations, and I want to point you out to the full disclosure right here. It's on the website. Back in, you can look at the date here, on January 2nd, I talked about stock market sell-off and gold is ready to make a move. Not that I'm trying to predict anything, and I'm not coming out like others. Let's say Goldman Sachs has made up a statement that gold is going to go lower. The fact is, no one knows which direction gold is going to go. Is it going to go up, going to go down? And that brings us to the whole point of why you need to have actually a system or a methodology in order to trade. And in this video, just this past one, or let me just refer back to it and you can look at it. Again, it was dated January 2nd. On that date, I had a buy signal to buy the junior miners. Somewhere about here. And what's happening is they're rebounding. Do I know if it'll continue? I have no earthly idea. But the fact is, what's very encouraging, the volume is increasing on these buys. This is the 200 period exponential moving average. It's knocking on the door there. You had a lot of reasons to buy this. There was a divergence on the MACD. You were coming out of a descending triangle, which it broke out. You had a breakout of, again, what I teach about are breakout trades. You had a breakout trade that something was loathed, completely hated. Because people, with all their opinions, thought gold was going to go to 2,000. And gold last year imploded. Let's look at a gold chart. Let's do a weekly. I mean, here it is. This is really ugly. People lost all kinds of money. And the fact is, you don't have to know which direction a market is going to go. You read what it's telling you. Here you had a double bottom. Thing is greatly oversold. And the question is, how much is this trade going to cost me to see if it'll work? The idea is you want to take low-risk bets where you risk less than 1% of your account size. And in reality, in the trading accounts in which I trade proprietarily as well as for clients, I'm trading anywhere between 40 to 60 to 70 basis points. This is really what successful trading is about. Not having an opinion, letting the market tell you where it's going to go. Because there is nobody other than on CNBC or Bloomberg, they think they know where the market's going to go. But no one really knows. And that's what we do with our consulting services. We help you develop a trading plan, risk management, money management. You can make it systematic. We work with different platforms. And even most important is a trading psychology. This is the hardest thing for anyone to overcome because no matter what system, no matter what methodology, you're always going to have trades that don't work. And even the words I'm using don't work. Isn't you lost money or you were wrong or stupid or any of these? The trade didn't work. You follow the methodology and any trade is 50-50. And you cut your losses, or you try to cut your losses to a small degree. This is what successful trend following is, and trading. I'm available for speaking engagements. I've spoken at different conferences. And I invite you to come to the website. If there's any way I can help you, feel free to email me. Thank you very much.